Hello there, my name is Terence Sapkis. Today, we will be looking at the Petty Cash Fund. Before looking at how the Petty Cash Fund works, we'll be looking at what the Petty Cash Fund actually is. The Petty Cash Fund is a small amount of cash that is kept on hand and is used to pay for small infrequent amounts where it would not be sensible or practical to write a check because of the inconvenience and cost of writing, signing, and then cashing the check. Now that we understand what the Petty Cash Fund is, let's look at the steps involved. First, establish the fund. Second, making payments from the fund. And third, replenishing the fund. Now let's look at the first step, which is establishing the fund. When establishing the fund, the business will write a check for the amount of the fund and then will cash the check and give the cash to an employee. It is important to note when recording this in journal entries, assets do not change. Now the second step involved is making payments. There are two ways of making payments. Cash can be taken directly from the fund, where employees can be reimbursed from the fund after they have paid from their own accounts. Custodians should be collecting receipts to keep track of how much cash is being used. It is important to note that as payments are being made, no journal entries are made. Now on to the final step, which is replenishing the fund. Before replenishing the fund, the remaining cash within the fund is counted, and the business will then replenish the fund by writing a check to return the fund back to its required balance. The business will then record all its expenses by using the receipts that have been saved previously and balanced with the original petty cash amount. In the event that the cash amount is not balanced, this is called over and short. A temporary expense account is established that identifies the amount of cash that is over and under the initial amount. In summary, the petty cash fund allows for flexibility to be used with making small transactions with the business's operations. It establishes clear internal control methods that can be utilized with all functions of the business. Thank you. Bye.